Hello, my name is Ronald from MakeItScrum. In this video, I want to tell you about user story workshops. It is an exercise that promotes collaboration, open discussion, and knowledge sharing to plan and estimate your projects quickly. Some of the goals are: build trust, ensure alignment and understanding, user story creation and refinement, facilitate prioritization, set expectations to the stakeholders, help to discover dependencies, risks, and key business decisions in the early stages. Keep in mind, participate, ask questions, be respectful, and have fun. How does it work? This workshop is based on the 3 C's: capture, consolidate, and confirm. The product owner goes one by one through the features and explains how they work and how they interact with other applications and platforms. There is an individual silence exercise in which the participants create sticky notes of what they captured as high-level requirements. Once we finish creating all notes, we start individually or by groups consolidating them by affinity and creating a single note that represents the group. Keep in mind, use short titles. Add a small description. If it is too big or vague, consider breaking it down further. Draw a board with columns representing efforts. If the team has worked on previous projects, choose 2 well-known stories that help the team mapping the new story's effort to the existing ones. Participants during the exercise should not talk nor exchange ideas to not bias others. One by one, each participant will go to the board and move one sticky note that does not have effort or move one that another person has already placed. Add marks to the sticky notes that have already been moved more than once. Do as many rounds as needed to move all stories inside the estimation board. Conduct some extra rounds if someone strongly disagrees with an existing estimate. Discuss the sticky notes with the most marks, as these are the ones in which people have more questions or opinions. Document agreements, assumptions, and other important notes like technical or business considerations. Going virtual? Use online tools that allow you to see real-time interaction between cards. Export cards so you can import them from any agile tracking tools. And as always, have fun. Thanks. See you next time.